Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this list has the right BAST 3D printer for you. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for beginners and makers who want fast, reliable, and high-quality printing with minimal setup. Priced at just $239, the Adventurer 5M delivers premium features like fully automatic leveling, 600 mm per second print speed, and a durable all-metal frame, making it one of the best value 3D printers in its class. Fully automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup. Ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second. Core XY all-metal structure for greater stability and precision. 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder supports PLA, PTG, TPU, and more. 3-second quick-detach nozzle for easy maintenance. Large 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume for bigger projects. Compact design with a user-friendly touchscreen interface. Excellent print quality with reduced vibration and noise. Pros. Outstanding speed without sacrificing print quality. Fully automatic leveling is beginner-friendly. Strong all-metal Core XY construction. Quick nozzle replacement saves time. Excellent value for the price. Cons. Open frame design isn't ideal for high-temperature materials like ABS. No built-in camera or AI print monitoring. Touchscreen interface is functional but fairly basic. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality K2 SE, a fast, feature-packed 3D printer built for creators who want professional quality prints, easy operation, and future-ready multicolor printing support. At just $299, the Creality K2 SE offers premium features like 500 mm per second high-speed printing, automatic leveling, and a solid metal frame, making it an excellent value for hobbyists and professionals alike. High-speed printing up to 500 mm per second for faster project completion. Supports multicolor printing when paired with the optional Creality Filament System, CFS. Sturdy all-metal construction for improved stability and print accuracy. Fully automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup. Direct drive extruder delivers smooth performance with PLA, PTG, TPU, and other flexible filaments. Quick swap nozzle design makes maintenance fast and easy. Spacious 220 by 215 by 245 mm build volume for larger models. User-friendly interface with reliable, consistent print quality. Pros. Fast 500 mm per second printing saves valuable time. Excellent print quality with a rigid metal frame. Automatic leveling is beginner-friendly. Direct drive extruder handles a wide range of materials. Multicolor printing support adds future upgrade potential. Cons. Multicolor printing requires purchasing the CFS separately. Slightly more expensive than entry-level 3D printers. Open frame design is less suitable for printing high-temperature materials like ABS without an enclosure. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a powerful high-speed 3D printer featuring a modern Core XZ motion system, a large build volume, and professional-grade performance for makers of all skill levels. Priced at $378.08, the Ender 3v3 Plus delivers premium features like 600 mm per second printing speed, automatic bed leveling, and a large print area, making it an excellent investment for serious creators. Ultra-fast 600 mm per second printing with the advanced Core XZ motion system. Large 11.8 x 11.8 x 13.0 inch build volume for bigger and more complex models. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup and consistent first layers. Direct drive extruder provides smooth extrusion and supports flexible materials like TPU. Durable tri-metal high-flow nozzle for improved heat transfer and long-lasting performance. Rigid metal frame minimizes vibration for better print quality. Quiet operation with stable, high-precision printing. Ideal for prototypes, cosplay parts, engineering projects, and large functional prints. Pros. Extremely fast 600 mm per second printing speeds. Spacious build volume for large projects. Excellent print quality thanks to the Core XZ design. Automatic leveling makes setup quick and easy. Durable tri-metal nozzle and direct drive extruder improve reliability. Cons. Costs more than entry-level Ender models. Large footprint requires extra desk space. Open frame design is not ideal for high-temperature filaments like ABS without an enclosure. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, an affordable, beginner-friendly 3D printer that combines fast printing, automatic leveling, and dependable performance in a compact design. At just $219, the Ender 3v3 SE offers premium features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, a Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, and 250 mm per second print speeds, making it one of the best budget 3D printers available. Fast printing speeds up to 250 mm per second, significantly reducing print times. CR Touch Auto Leveling ensures a perfect first layer with minimal setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder delivers reliable extrusion and supports PLA, PTG, and TPU 95A filaments. Dual Z-axis design improves stability and print accuracy. Automatic filament loading and unloading makes filament changes quick and easy. Build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, ideal for most hobby and functional prints. Easy assembly and user-friendly operation, perfect for beginners. Pros. Excellent value at just $219. Automatic leveling simplifies setup. Direct drive extruder handles flexible filaments well. Dual Z-axis improves print consistency. Easy to assemble and beginner-friendly. Cons. Smaller build volume than premium models. Maximum speed is lower than newer high-speed Core XY printers. Open frame design is less suitable for high-temperature materials like ABS without an enclosure. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer packed with automatic features for smooth, reliable printing right out of the box. At only $186.15, this printer delivers premium features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, a Sprite Direct Extruder, and 250 mm per second high-speed printing, making it an incredible value for beginners and hobbyists. Fast printing speeds up to 250 mm per second for quicker project completion. CR Touch Auto Leveling ensures an accurate first layer every time. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder provides reliable extrusion and supports PLA, PTG, and TPU filaments. Dual Z-axis design improves stability and print precision. Auto-load filament feature makes filament changes quick and effortless. 8.66 times 8.66 times 9.84 inch build volume is perfect for most home and DIY projects. Durable aluminum construction with easy assembly, so you can start printing in minutes. Pros. Excellent price, under $200. Easy setup with automatic bed leveling. Reliable direct drive extruder for multiple filament types. Stable dual Z-axis design improves print quality. Great choice for beginners and everyday makers. Cons. Smaller build volume than larger premium models. Open frame design isn't ideal for ABS or other high-temperature filaments. Print speed is lower than newer 500, 600 mm/s Core XY printers. If you're looking for one of the best budget 3D printers, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is definitely worth considering. Check the affiliate link in the description for the latest price and deals. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews and buying guides.